What is the southernmost area of Indian land? भारतीय भूमि का सबसे दक्षिणी क्षेत्र कौन सा है? ए कन्याकुमारी, बी तेलंगाना, सी कर्नाटका, डी केरला. Your time starts now. Answer A Kanyakumari. Kanyakumari is also known as Cape Comorin. Kanyakumari is a coastal town in Tamil Nadu. Which is the smallest ocean in the world? विश्व का सबसे छोटा महासागर कौन सा है? A. Southern Ocean, B. The Arctic Ocean, C. The Atlantic Ocean, D. The Pacific Ocean. Your time starts now. Answer B. The Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the home of many creatures and it covers the area of 6.1 million square miles. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? भारत की पहली महिला प्रधानमंत्री कौन थी? A. इंदिरा गांधी, B. सोनिया गांधी, C. प्रतिभा पाटिल, D. सुमित्रा महाजन. Your time starts now. Answer A. Indira Gandhi. Indira Gandhi was the daughter of Jawaharlal Nehru, the first Prime Minister of India. Who is the first citizen of India? भारत का पहला नागरिक कौन है? A. Vice President, B. Prime Minister, C. President, D. Former Vice President. Your time starts now. Answer C. President. The current President of India is Ramnath Kovind. Which continent does not have a volcano? किस महाद्वीप में ज्वालामुखी नहीं है? A. Antarctica, B. Europe, C. Africa, D. Australia. Your time starts now. Answer D. Australia. Which country has most of the active volcanoes? सर्वाधिक सक्रिय ज्वालामुखी किस देश में है? A. India, B. China, C. Japan, D. Indonesia. Your time starts now. Answer D. Indonesia. It features the world's largest lava lake with more than 13,000 islands. Indonesia leads the world with the largest number of active volcanoes. Which of the following is the Hindi script? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सी हिंदी लिपि है? A. Roman, B. देवनागरी, C. Civil Mark, D. None. Your time starts now. Answer B. Devanagari. Devanagari is also called Nagari. Who is the third citizen of India? भारत का तीसरा नागरिक कौन है? A. Former President, B. Prime Minister, C. President, D. Vice President. Your time starts now. Answer B. Prime Minister. Narendra Damodar Das Modi is the current Prime Minister of India since 2014. Who was the first woman chief minister in India? पहली महिला मुख्यमंत्री कौन थी भारत में? A. सुचिता कृपलानी, B. ममता बनर्जी, C. इंदिरा गांधी, D. none. Your time starts now. Answer A. Suchita Kriplani. She is serving as the head of Uttar Pradesh government from 1963 to 1967. Who is the new civil aviation minister of India? भारत के नए नागरिक उड़ान मंत्री कौन हैं? A. अनुराग ठाकुर, B. ज्योतिरादित्य सिंधिया, C. S. Jaishankara, D. Nitin Gadkari. Your time starts now. Answer B. Jyotiraditya Scindia. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.